How to bring the popular Firefox browser to your TV, how it works, you will find out in today's video, so stay tuned. The Firefox browser is a very popular browser, not only on the PC, but also on the TV. And in today's video we want to show you how to install this browser on your smart TV. We have a Sharp Smart TV here, but it works with any smart TV, no matter which manufacturer. You only need Android as an operating system. Unfortunately, this Firefox browser is not available here in the Google Play Store. That is, if we enter Firefox here, you will see that unfortunately nothing is found here. A lot of browsers are found, but the Firefox browser is not there. Here you can see the result. There is a lot of it, but unfortunately not what we need, and that is the Firefox browser. But there is still the possibility to install it with a little trick, with a little program. Namely, that the downloader should not be missing on any TV. And if you have not downloaded it, then download it. This is completely free. This is what the program looks like, Downloader, and with this you can download pretty much everything. As the name says, I can download everything. And that's easy. I only need the address line here on google.de or .at, whatever. And with the search engine I can search the whole thing. And it is an APK file. This is the file editing of this program. So, google.de and search, and automatically we land on Google. Here we have to agree to the whole thing. Accept everything or reject. I always go for rejection, but it is up to everyone. And now we only have to go to Firefox.apk. That is, Firefox and APK. This is the file editing of this program. And with this program we can install the whole thing. So, Firefox.apk. This is very important. And on search. Now there are different pages here. I will choose this one here. And that is the APK Pure page. You can of course take another website. I have made good experience with this, so I take this one. And when we are on this page, we only have to scroll down and find the download here. Here we have to click on it. The file has 600 megabytes, a little bigger, but we have a great browser for that. Then we have to agree, and as soon as we click on agree, the download will start. And that takes a few minutes. So, if the download does not start, then scroll down and here you will find the download again. There are two different ones. You can do the whole thing with APK Pure. I take the normal download and click here on download. And the file starts here with the download. Advertising. Unfortunately, it does not work without advertising. Everywhere you have advertising now. The pages are financed by advertising. So, you see, download progress 622 megabytes. And right after the download we can install the file. And we can access the popular Firefox browser. In the previous video we showed you how to install the Google Chrome browser. Today with the Firefox browser. So, 1 minute, 2 minutes it will take, and then we can open and install the browser. And then we can start surfing. So, 622. Installation. And this file is also installed relatively quickly. Of course, it always depends on the TV. I have a Sharp Smart TV here. But it works on every Android TV and on every TV that also has a Google operating system. Mine has Google as an operating system, for example. So, the installation is almost finished. And next we say install. Is installed. And when we're done, we can start here. We can add tabs here. Just like with the Firefox browser you know from the PC. You can do the same here on the TV. And you can even synchronize the whole thing. In other words, everything you have for a smartphone, you can hear from the TV. All done. We click on open and can now open the browser like this. Welcome to Firefox. Of course, we have to click on Continue here. And then we can set up our standard browser here. That means I go to Firefox and say Set up as standard. That means as soon as I want to surf, the Firefox browser is always selected. You can now synchronize or later turn off the whole thing. You can set the address cell. And that's it. This is what it looks like. We have successfully installed the whole thing on our TV. Did you like this video? Then show it with your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Then you are up to date. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.